PLANING, planning.
Afternoon, children.
Good afternoon, sir.
Okay, so I hear that you guys don't like geography much, so let's test your politics. Who can name me the President of the US? Go on.
Joe Biden.
Well done. Very good. Who can name me the President of France?
Macron.
Very good. Okay, good. Canada. That's a hard one.
The Queen.
The Queen. Good shot. Justin Trudeau.
Oh. How do you know that?
When did World War I start?
1914 to
1914 to 18.
Yeah.
And who won? Who lost?
The Germans lost.
Very good. And what happened in World War II? Can you give me a little summary?
World War II, Hitler was trying to kill all the Jews, and all the countries came together to fight the Germans.
Very good. And who was that leader during World War II? England's leader?
Winston Churchill.
Fantastic. Well done. And any other wars that you guys are aware of after World War II?
The Ukrainian War.
Yeah. And who's the leader of Ukraine?
Russia in Ukraine.
Okay. What is the Pythagoras theorem?
A squared plus B squared.
You guys should be in college already. Okay, so how do you calculate the radius of a circle?
Pi r squared.
Yeah, that.
Is it?
Yeah, pi r squared.
What do you call a shape that's got 5 sides?
Pentagon.
6 sides.
Hexagon.
This is too easy for you. 8 sides.
Octagon.
What's 5 sides again? Pentagon.
Yeah.
What famous building is named the Pentagon? What country is it in?
Canada.
US. It's the main government building. It's called the Pentagon.
Oh, didn't know that.
Okay. What is the square root of 64?
8.
Okay. How do you calculate the angle of a graph?
A graph. Then you go into coordinates and all that.
Coordinates. That's fine.
It's an area.
Isn't it y equals mx plus e?
Yeah, it is.
Oh, yeah, it is.
Y equals M for the gradient. And
That's 20 years ago. It's still in my head. Good question. How do you calculate the volume of a cube?
a cube, a volume of a cube.
Yeah.
You calculate the area of one shape and then you times it by the length.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The cube should be, all dimensions should be the same.
Yeah.
So it should just be, if it's 5 meters long, then it'll be 5 to the power of 3.
20. No.
I tried.
It's 5 times 5 times 5.
Yeah.
What is 7 divided by 2? Take away 3.
Half?
No, in decimals, like,
0.5?
no. 7 divided by 2 times by 3.
Times by 3. So 7 divided by 2 is 3.5. Times 3 is
10.5.
29.5?
I swear it's 10.5 or something.
Is it a famous question?
It's not a famous question, let's
Is
say
it
that.
3?
it after. Guys! Exam, focus. You two, come on.
It's me that has the
It's on
answer.
your desk, let's go.
But it's on her
Let's go,
side. Your
let's
eyes on her
go,
side.
let's go,
So I didn't do anything though.
let's go now.
Your friend cheat. What's wrong with
Guys,
that?
focus.
Back door when we get.
Wow. Exam is over, guys. Please close your books, put your pen down. Your papers on your table. You can make your way out. Come on, guys. Rosa, Eunice, can you please come in? Sit down. Sit down. Just please sit on different tables. Right, sit down. What's happened? How did you get hold of that piece of paper?
She's the cheater. The paper was found on her side, not my side.
So it doesn't matter.
So she's the cheater.
So you know how
That's okay, I'm disappointed in both of you. You could have both aced this test. You're both smart enough to do the test. But I will have to take it up and speak to your parents.
I just told
I
you.
am not going to tell your parents who's at fault. I don't know who's at fault. But they both need to be aware of your behaviour. Is that understood?
Understood.
Is it going to happen again?
She's the cheater. She'll
Stop
probably do it
talking
again.
about
Is it going to happen? Is it going to happen again? I want
No,
to
on her
collect a
behalf,
yes.
sir. On her behalf, yes.
Is it going to happen again?
It's not. She talks a lot, this girl. I don't know why she's lying for.
It's not gonna happen again.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Thank you.